Hey guys, I'm going to show you right now how to solve a system of three equations on the calculator. Okay, it takes a little bit of work, and you will need to show the algebra when you do this on a quiz, but I want to show you a way that you'll always have an answer key on the calculator if you want to check. It does take a little bit of time, but if you follow along, you'll probably remember what to do. All right, so you first go to this matrix control. All right, that's what you should see. Slide over to edit. And you're going to edit a 3 by 3 matrix. So hit 3, enter 3. All right? Now, what you're going to enter in there are the coefficients in the left-hand side of the equations. Okay? So, frankly, x, y's, and z's are in each equation. So it's not they that affect the outcome, right? It's really the coefficients that make these solutions any different. X, y, and z is every problem. So it should make sense that there has been some algorithm, some machine that we can use to enter just the coefficients and then eventually get an answer, okay? So the coefficients you've got to enter in order from x, y, and z. So the first problem, this is from your homework that was due today, is negative 1, because it was like negative 1x, negative x, plus 3y, so 3, and then plus z, so just a 1 there. So it was negative x plus 3y plus z, and that's what I entered. The next line is 2x minus 5y minus 5z, so I'll do 2, negative 5, negative 5. And last is negative 2, 4, and 1. Negative 2, 4, and 1. Okay, so I've entered all the coefficients of the left-hand sides of the equations. Now, I go back to the matrix. I go second matrix again. Slide over to edit. I'm going to edit a 3 by 1 matrix this time. Oh, whoops. Sorry. I have to go. I'm leaving. This is my mistake. I want to leave this one. I go back to matrix, sorry. Go over to edit, go down to the second matrix, the clean one, my fault. Go to a clean one, hit enter, and then edit a 3 by 1 matrix, okay? That's what you should have. That's where you put the answers in order, negative 3, 7, and negative 8. Okay, so far we've entered two matrices, a 3 by 1 matrix and a 3 by 1 matrix. Sorry, 3 by 3 and a 3 by 1. Now we quit. And you just go back to the matrix, okay? So you got to have this blank screen, and then go back to the matrix, and just hit enter now, okay? Just hit enter. You're just going to select that first matrix. That's what you should see. Now, hit the inverse key. The inverse key is the x, and it looks like a negative 1 power. That means inverse. We'll deal with that more this year, okay? So yeah, frankly, you won't really know what the calculator is doing right now when it uses these matrices. But as long as you understand that, it's the coefficients that are really what make the solutions any different. So we have that, and now you'd go back to matrix and enter the second matrix, okay? So that's what your screen should show. The inverse of the second matrix, of the first matrix times the second matrix, and you hit enter, and there's your answer, our area code 610, okay? So that means the answer that you would write, if you have this paper, you'd write your answer as 6, 1, 0, like that, okay? So you'll have to show all the algebra. You will need to know how to do that, but I just wanted to show you how to check it on the calculator. All right? There's another way we can use the calculator to do a similar problem, but that I'll teach you in class. Okay, that's when we have to come up with an equation for a quadratic, given 3 points in the quadratic. We can use a calculator to do that also, but I'll show you that in class. All right? See ya.